Hi, this is Chad. In this episode, I'm going to discuss about indirect proportion. Indirect or inverse proportion is a relation between two quantities where an increase in one leads to a decrease in the other, and vice versa. In other words, if the product of both the quantities, irrespective of a change in their values, is equal to a constant value, then they are said to be in inverse proportion. So if we have quantity y, if y increases, then x decreases. Now, if y decreases, then the quantity x increases. Now, the formula for indirect or inverse proportion is y equals to k over x, where k is the constant of proportionality. So the formula for k is k equals to y times x. Now let's answer this word problem. If 16 men can finish the work in 5 days, how many days can the 20 men finish the same amount of work? Now let x be the number of men and y be the number of days. Now, initially, 16 men can finish the work in 5 days. So k is y times x. So y is 5, then x is 16. Now 5 times 16 is 80. Now to find the number of days can the 20 men finish the same amount of work, let's use the formula y is equals to k over x. Now k is 80 and x is 20. Now 80 divided by 20, that means that y is 4 days. It means that the 20 men can finish the same amount of work in just 4 days. Now if we make a table for this, so x is for the number of men and y for the number of days. Now if there are 20 men, then the work can be finished in 4 days. Now if there are 16 men, the work can be finished in 5 days. So how about there are 10 men, 8 and 4 men. So remember that k is 80, right? So what we'll do is just divide. 80 divided by 20 is 4. 80 divided by 16 is 5. Now 80 divided by 10 is 8. It means that if there are 10 men, it takes them 8 days to finish the work. Now 80 divided by 8 is 10. And 80 divided by 4 is 20. So that means that if there are only 4 men, it takes them 20 days to finish the same amount of work. Now notice that if x increases, y decreases. But if x decreases, y increases. Now that is inverse proportion. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.